Are you looking for a home in Gilbert with modern finishes, low maintenance living, and resort style amenities? Look no further than Mosaic at Layton Lakes. Built in 2020, this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath offers 1,422 square feet plus a versatile loft. As an end unit, you'll enjoy extra privacy, abundant natural light, and only one shared wall. The open concept main level features luxury vinyl plank flooring, beautiful wooden cabinetry, granite countertops, and a spacious kitchen that flows seamlessly into the living and dining areas, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Upstairs, the split floor plan offers added privacy between the primary suite and the secondary bedrooms, while the loft provides flexible space for an at-home office, a media room, or a playroom. The primary suite features a generous walk-in closet, dual vanities, granite countertops, and a beautifully tiled walk-in shower. Step outside and enjoy everything Mosaic at Layton Lakes has to offer, including a resort-style pool and spa, shaded playgrounds, picnic areas, and lush greenbelts and walking paths. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer looking to downsize or simply searching for a move-in-ready home in one of Gilbert's most desirable communities, this property is one you won't want to miss. This home combines comfort, convenience, and an amazing Gilbert location. If you enjoy videos like this and want to learn more about the Arizona market, message me and subscribe, and I'm happy to show you more because your dream home could be one video away.